Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about Cisco networking, specifically the Cisco Packet Tracer. If you enjoy the content that I make and would like to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing, as that would help out a ton. So, to explain briefly, Cisco, as you probably already know, is an incredibly famous tech company specializing in computer networking technology. This means your IP addresses, setting up Ethernet connections, connecting you to the internet, and other stuff like that. Cisco has a software used to model computer connections virtually, which is known as the Packet Tracer, which we will be learning how to install in today's video. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Okay. So first, we need to log in or create an etiquette account. I'll be assuming that you have one already, but the process is really simple and it only takes a few minutes to do. Okay, so I'm just going to log in really quick. Okay, perfect. Now, once you're at the Neticat homepage, go and click on Resources. There you'll see Download Packet Tracer, or Install Packet Tracer written there. And now click that, right? Scroll down, be sure to check whether you have your system requirements set to work properly, right? And down here you can see a couple of links to download the version of Packet Tracer that you need. So I'm going to be downloading the 64-bit version. You click I accept. Right, next. And this should be fine, yeah. Okay, next. Okay, next. Desktop shortcut. Okay, if you want, then sure, yeah, next. And install. Okay, let's just wait for it to install. Okay, so it finished, and now if I try to open it, okay, and so now if it opens, then you come to the home screen, and you're all good.